Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking one card for your daily reading, guys, from this deck, and one card for your oracle guidance, and I'll be picking three cards for your love reading. So that'll be from a different deck, guys, Scorpios. So for your daily reading, this is the card here. For your love reading, Scorpios, we are picking three cards. So these are the cards for your love reading, Scorpios, and one card from the oracle guidance deck, guys. So we will keep these cards here and we will open the cards at last, guys, as we proceed into the reading, Scorpios. Let's start with the daily reading, guys. So for your daily reading, it is Ace of Moons. So with this card for your daily reading, Scorpios, this card stands for a good sign in your life, guys. In your personal life, you are getting all those things that you are happy about, and your life is moving towards that positivity, and you are able to find that emotional satisfaction and fulfillment today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be beginning some new venture in your career, something which you are really passionate about. So a start of a new career, this may be a second career, or it may be something which you love in your work, or maybe a new diversion, new project, something positive is happening today. That is what this card is about. And it also stands for that generosity of spirit. You may feel very compassionate, generous, love towards the people in your life, people surrounding you, your friends, family, or people from your work. They may see you as a very positive person, a fountain of knowledge and wisdom, maybe for some of you, and also love. You have that compassion towards everybody, and you are a warm spirited person. So you help others in your life, and people come to you for support and guidance today, guys, Scorpios. That is also what I see with this card. So some new beginning, that is what this card denotes, is coming towards you in your life today, guys, with this Ace of Moons. That is what this card is about. So let us see what are these cards for your love reading, guys. So we will turn these cards now. It's King of Pentacles in reverse. We'll keep these cards here. And Queen of Wands in reverse, and Eight of Wands. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, Scorpios, this is what your person may feel about you, or what you may feel about this person. So it works vice versa, guys. So in your relationship, you may feel that there are some kind of weakness that you face. Maybe this person, they are having some kind of addictions. That may be the reason for some kind of weakness, or they may be suffering from some minor illness, guys. That is also the reason for some stress or some kind of weakness in your situation today. And though you have that understanding with this person, that love is there in this connection, maybe for some of you, this person, in their heart of hearts, they are really jealous of you, maybe of your skills, abilities, but they don't know how to bring it out, show their jealousy. So they are silently thinking, having that negative emotions about you, So they are thinking within themselves, maybe brooding. They are trying to compete with you in some ways, guys, Scorpios. That is also what I see with these cards. And you are making great efforts in this connection, guys. You want this connection to work, so you are putting in that efforts. Maybe for some of you, you may be progressing towards marriage. You feel that this relationship is moving in a very positive way and you want marriage with this person. For some of you, that may be the energy here, guys. So marriage is in the cards for you all, guys, Scorpios, and you are working towards that understanding and compatibility. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance for you all, Scorpios. So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but this is a card which we can follow for our general guidance. So if we follow, it will make things go in a better way, guys, for us emotionally and spiritually. That is what this card is about. So let us see what is the card. Mending. A beautiful card here, guys, Scorpios. So in your situation today, Scorpios, this may relate to your personal life situation or your professional life. This card stands for forgiveness and healing and making those amends. So we need to go for that, guys, because all that negativity, all that fights and arguments, that will just burden us. So when we have that burden in our heart, it will it will drain our energy and it will drain our peace of mind. So we have to set ourselves free. So we, in order to make set ourselves free, we have to make amends. So that is what this card is about, Scorpios. So sometimes in life, when we are hurt and when we are separated from this person, if we want to move forward, we have to make amends. If we feel that we are the person who was the reason for some mistakes, we can say sorry and ask their forgiveness. But if it is that person's mistake, if they say sorry, well and fine. Otherwise, we can forgive them ourselves. In our heart of hearts, we can make that amends. Try to forgive them and forget that hurt and move forward with life, guys. So that is what this card is about. And even in our career situation, maybe we would have made some mistakes in our career that would have led to some failures. So this card is about making amends to our own self. So we have to just let go of that hurtful past, whatever mistakes, and we have to keep just that learning. So when we have that learning in ourselves, in our situation, we will be moving towards a greater prosperity and potential in life, guys. So that is what this oracle's guidance is about, and that is the reading for your Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.